Hello Rockstars, I'm Allie, your Rockstar Bar Girl. I just wanted to jump on first of all to say thank you so very much to everyone who has purchased a ticket to the Raw Premiere Showcase, my first artist showcase, which is happening here in New York City at the Melrose Ballroom on January 29th at 7 p.m. I am super excited to meet all of you. This show is going to be fantastic. There are over 50 other artists that are going to be performing, showing off their fashion, their creative designs, their visual art, and I'm super excited to be a part of it. I've been working really hard on creating my display, and I'm going to have some amazing magical goodies available for you, as well as be giving free tarot readings. So it's going to be a lot of fun, and I really hope you all can make it. As you probably already know by now, to participate, I need to sell 20 tickets to the event by next week, and I still have a little ways to go. So, for everyone who purchases a ticket between now and next week, Monday, January 20th, I am going to be giving you a free 15-minute tarot reading. That's right, a free 15-minute tarot reading. So you can book your reading for any time that works for you. A week from now, 2 weeks from now, 2 months from now. You just want to go ahead and purchase your ticket to the showcase between now and Monday the 20th. And you'll automatically get a discount code by email from me so that you can go ahead and sign up for your free 15-minute reading. Tickets are available now, and you just have to scroll down to the description box and click on the link. For those of you who aren't local or aren't able to purchase a ticket right now, you can still show your support by making a donation. Just scroll down to the description box and click on the link for donations. I truly appreciate your support, and I will have a little special something for you too. So to everyone who shows their support, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. For those of you who have tickets, I'm really looking forward to meeting you, and I will see all of you in the next video. Bye, Rockstars.